Hi, kids! Today we're going to practice reading. Let's read. Follow after teacher. This is a box. The box is blue. Look at the box. The blue box is big. This is a cat. The cat is orange. Look at the cat. The orange cat is big. This is a mug. The mug is green. Look at the mug. The green mug is big. This is a car. The car is red. Look at the car. The red car is new. This is a dress. The dress is green. Look at the dress. The green dress is new. This is a pen. The pen is blue. Look at the pen. The blue pen is new. This is a hat. The hat is pink. Look at the hat. The pink hat is big. This is a cup. The cup is orange. Look at the cup. The orange cup is big. This is a bag. The bag is yellow. Look at the bag. The yellow bag is big. This is a fish. The fish is purple. Look at the fish. The purple fish is small. This is a frog. The frog is green. Look at the frog. The green frog is small. This is an axe. The axe is red. Look at the axe. The red axe is big. This is a fan. The fan is blue. Look at the fan. The blue fan is new. This is a map. The map is brown. Look at the map. The brown map is old. This is a dog. The dog is brown. Look at the dog. The brown dog is old. This is an ant. The ant is red. Look at the ant. The red ant is small. This is an igloo. The igloo is white. Look at the igloo. The white igloo is small. This is an orange. The orange is round. Look at the orange. The round orange is small. This is an elf. The elf is green. Look at the elf. The green elf is small. Thanks for watching and reading with me. More videos, just look and find my Teacher Sheila's Corner, and you're going to get a lot of videos there. in my page. So, see you around. See you on my next video. Bye for now.